Hey everyone, welcome back to KTalk. I'm K, and it's Tuesday, June 17th, 2025. Despite the rising tension in the Middle East, the US stock market saw a strong rally yesterday. Let's break down what happened. Yesterday, the US stock market continued its 4-hour level consolidation. However, it closed at the upper edge of these consolidations, which could sign a breakout. Nasdaq. Let's start with the Nasdaq. On the weekly chart, you can see a weekly level consolidation. The Nasdaq is fallen from its high and rebounded to its current position, forming this weekly consolidation. We can see here is the high of the Nasdaq, and then pull back. At the April, it will rebound to now. It's the that's chain form of weekly consolidations here. So now looking at the 4-hour chart, a new 4-hour level consolidation has formed above the major blue line after yesterday's surge. This consolidation is now very close to the upper edge of its 4-hour channel. We can see here is the upper edge of the 4-hour channel. We will be watching closely to see if it could touch that upper edge in the next few days. However, the strength of this 4-hour upward move is clearly weaker than previous rallies. You can see previous rally is very strong, and now this 4-hour consolidation, the momentum is weaker. So even it touched the upper edge of this 4 consolidations channel, I don't think it will break through. Finally, the 30-minute chart it suggests that this wave of rebound might be coming to an end. We can see here. First, the 30-minute consolidation here. But after breaking below it essentially expands to a 4-hour level or consolidation larger than 30 minutes. Then it rallied, forming a new 30-minute consolidation here. This is a new 30-minute consolidation. Forming a new consolidation above the larger than 30-minute consolidation. This is a larger than 30-minute consolidation. I think maybe a 4-hour, but it is a larger than 30-minute consolidations here, and it highly like to form a larger 4-hour level consolidation or even a daily level consolidation. The good news about this kind of consolidation is that it means the US stock market won't enter a sharp decline quickly. Instead, it will form a daily level consolidations, which could lead to the market oscillation within this range for a long time, potentially months. Next, let's look at the S&P 500. The situation for the S&P is similar to the Nasdaq, so we don't go into detail here. Next, let's look at the Dow Jones. I've always said the Dow is the weakest, and that's still the case. From the 4-hour chart, we can see here is the 4-hour consolidations for a long time. Why it is broken below the 4-hour Barbell line? This is the 4-hour Barbell line. Okay, it does break below. It should. If it doesn't break below it soon, then it will start looking for bottom edge of this 4-hour consolidation, likely around the 41,000 mark. Here is the edge, lower edge of this 4-hour consolidation. So if it breaks below this Barbell line here, it will touch, maybe it will to find the support of this 4-hour consolidations lower edge. So it could be dangerous, so be cautious about the Dows. Okay, that's quick recap of US stock market yesterday. Now let's return to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still within the daily level consolidation, and it also a larger 4-hour level consolidation. If this continues, the daily and the 4-hour channel might be recapped, meaning the entire consolidation period will be quite long. Of course, as long as its daily level consolidation, its oscillation range will be larger. You can see. We can see here. So, if it's a daily consolidation, its oscillation will be larger. So, making it more suitable for a swing trading strategy. So here we need to identify the level of consolidation and then swing trade based on that level. Looking at the 4-hour chart, after its surge and pullback, it's in surge and pullback. Whether it can hold above the 4-hour Barbell line, it could be a critical support for the potential push toward the upper edge of the 4-hour channel. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. You can see a rebound after 30-minute downward consolidation. In reality, the rebound is from a downward 4-hour level private. We have a bit room for a long trade here, with the target being near yesterday's high. This is yesterday's high. At the weekend, here form a 30-minute consolidations here, and then yesterday it break through the consolidation and then go up to the high of this 30-minute rebound and then pull back at this larger Barbell line. I think here is the chance to be long, and the target is the high of yesterday's rebound. Okay, alright. That's my brief market review of US stock market and Bitcoin for today. If you like today's analysis, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to keep up with the market pulse every day with KTalk. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your market perspectives? We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.